So I did want to post at least a little video clip of me sewing my wig together. I already went on and sewed the closure on. I left a little bit of space on the cap back here because I do have a 14. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use it or not, so just in case I decided, I would have room to go ahead and put that 14 weft back there. Y'all, it's so early in the morning. My kids are always up under me during the day, and you know, it was Friday, so that's family fun night, and so I was spending time with my kids, so I had to wait till they went to sleep. So it was about 4 in the morning, and I'm tired, but I wanted to get this done. So here you go. I'll post pictures and the final look. Alrighty. Hey y'all, so I told y'all that I would put up a video and pictures once I went on and kind of styled the wig. I'm still not finished with it, but after I was done sewing everything down, I plucked the closure and I got a little bit of baby hairs out. I'm not a big baby hair person, so I won't ever go crazy with them because I'm like, I don't really care for them. But for the sake that a lot of people do like baby hairs, I said, let me go ahead and style my baby hairs. So I only like went through with the flat irons like one time, but I couldn't straighten it as good as I wanted to because my daughter came and she wanted me, so she was tired, so I had to put her to sleep. So I just ran through it really quickly as best as I could. I didn't put any product on it because I wanted to see how it flat ironed without any product, and I think it flat irons really well. I think if I had to put like a little bit of oil, that might have made it look a little sleeker. It's a natural brown color. Also, if I would have went through like with the comb, I probably would have got a little bit straighter. But again, I was just kind of just grabbing pieces and just straightening them because I wanted to just see how it does, and I wanted to try it on and see. But I'll show another video. I might do curls, I'm not sure. But this is kind of like the first look before I would do anything to it. I haven't put in any foundation or anything. I probably will. I need to pluck the part some more, so I'm not really done with it, but I did want to come to you guys and show you how it looks so far. So I'll post those other pictures as well, the pictures of me actually completing the process. So how much hair do I have in? This hair was surprisingly very thick. So I have in a 4x4 straight Indian closure, and then this is one full bundle in probably about an eighth of this bundle. So I didn't even use a full 2 bundles, and this hair is thick. And although I didn't get a good flat iron, I flat ironed it, and still look how thick this hair is. So yeah, this Indian hair is very thick, and I do like that about it. So I will be back with another video with this style differently. I'm going to touch up the closure, and I'm going to make this part a little bit cleaner because I am going to be wearing it as a side part. So this is a 4x4 closure, and I just parted it to the side to give the appearance of that side part. So yeah guys, I'll be back, and as always, thank you for watching.